Good morning, all of you.
Good morning, ma'am.
Now,
Good
today we are going switch off
morning,
your
ma'am.
microphones. First of all, everyone.
Ma'am,
Everyone, Ayush Singhania. Switch off your microphone, everyone. Now, today we are going to revise our chapter, which is building with bricks. Can you all see this board?
no, ma'am. I can't see. Ma'am. But not see properly also. Ma'am, I cannot see it properly. Ma'am, I can't see.
See,
Ma'am, I can see. Ma'am, not
yes.
I cannot see
So now
properly.
switch off your
Ma'am,
microphone, please.
I can see.
Switch
Ma'am,
off
I
your
cannot
microphones,
see.
everyone. Dhairya Shah. In our first chapter, we have learned about the shapes, 2D shapes and the 3D shapes. So first we will revise what are 2D shapes. 2D shapes are the two-dimensional shapes in which we have the height and the width. So this shape is triangle. It has three sides. Which shape is this? This is triangle. I repeat. It has three sides. One, two, and the third. Next, it has three corners. Corners, one, two, and three. These are the three corners. Now we go to the next shape.
Ma'am, your video is off.
Now,
Ma'am, I cannot see properly the words. Yes, ma'am. Your video is off. Yeah, ma'am. I also not.
now clear?
Ma'am, I cannot see it. Ma'am, I also not. Ma'am, I can't see the board also. Ma'am, I also. Ma'am, I
Okay.
cannot see the words only.
See, it is, can you read off with me?
Yes, ma'am.
It is square. It
It
has
is
four
square.
sides.
Ma'am, you have to write.
You have to write. I will repeat. You have to write. You don't have to say the words. You have to write. Clear?
Ma'am, start. Ma'am,
Start
read
writing.
from the first. Pause. Ma'am, start from the first.
Start
Yes.
writing, children.
Ma'am, can you start from beginning?
I will say the words. I will read it for you. You please
Okay,
start
ma'am.
writing. Okay?
Ma'am, notebook.
Yes,
Please
in
read
notebook.
from the beginning. Ma'am, please read from beginning.
I will read from the beginning.
Please everyone switch off
Switch
your
off
mic,
your
then
microphones, please.
ma'am will be audible to all.
Switch off your microphones, please, Anushka.
School.
Please switch off your microphones.
Ma'am, in notebook. Where is your notebook?
In notebook, you have to write in the rough notebook first and then copy it down with the pen in your fair notebook after the class. Please switch off your mics, everyone, and pay attention here. 2D shapes. First shape is triangle. Everyone has to draw a triangle in their notebooks. Yes, you, Lamha, you have to write the notes. Are you clear now? Triangle. First shape is triangle. Write the properties of triangle. It is triangle. It has three sides and three corners. It has, I repeat, it has three sides and three corners. Next, I will go to the square. Everyone has to make a square in their notebook.
Ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, what is the properties of triangle again? Please repeat the sentence.
Yes,
Ma'am,
I will
can you
repeat
repeat
the
the
sentence.
sentence with
See,
starting?
children, I will repeat 2-3 times the sentence. You have to pay attention.
Ma'am, you can repeat the sentence with starting.
Yes, I will repeat again the triangle. Please write it fast. It is
Ma'am, I will write
triangle.
down.
It has
Ma'am,
3 sides and 3 corners. Next is square.
ma'am, what is next?
It is a
Wait a
square.
minute.
It is square.
Ma'am, wait a minute. Ma'am, wait a minute.
Yes. It is a square.
Ma'am, 1 minute.
It has 4 sides.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
I can't. Yes.
It has 4 sides.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes,
Hello.
tell me.
Ma'am, the picture is not clear.
Now,
No, ma'am, it's a blur हो रहा है, ma'am. कुछ भी नहीं दिख रहा है.
Ma'am, next. Ma'am, next.
that's why I'm repeating it again and again so the children can listen and write it. Tell the children to pay more attention on my
Ma'am,
voice.
now it's
यहाँ पे clear आ रहा
Children,
है.
please pay more attention on my voice. What I speak, please write it down.
Ma'am, they help me with pencil or pen.
it is square.
It is a
Then
square. How many sides square has?
ma'am, four.
Four. Write down. It has 4 sides.
It has 4 sides. Done, ma'am.
Yes, it has 4 sides.
Done.
And
Done.
it has 4 corners. How many corners square has?
4.
So write it down. It has 4 corners.
Ma'am,
Pay more attention on my voice if the picture is not clear. Yes.
Ma'am, it has 4
4 sides and 4 corners. All sides are equal. All sides of a square are equal. All the sides of a square are equal.
Ma'am, wait a minute. Ma'am, next.
Next is rectangle. What comes after the square?
Ma'am, equal spelling.
EQUAL.
Ma'am, wait a minute.
Okay, I will not go fast.
You can repeat the square.
Yes, SQUARE square. It is a square. How many sides square has?
4.
4 sides. So write it has 4 sides and 4 corners. All sides are equal. EQUAL equal. Now I will go to the third one. Rectangle. It is a square. Its square has 4 sides, 4 corners. All sides are equal. Now I will go to the third one. It is rectangle. It has how many sides rectangle has, children? 4 sides. It has 4 sides and 4 corners, same like square.
4 corners.
4 sides and 4 corners.
Ma'am, we have to write that it has 4 sides and 4 corners. Like a square, we have to write square.
No, this is the example I'm telling you.
Rectangle.
Can't please pay more attention on my voice. What I
Ma'am?
speak, what I repeat.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, tell me.
Its opposite sides are equal.
Yes.
Ma'am, your
Also,
camera is off.
in rectangle, opposite sides are equal.
Opposite side and
In rectangle, opposite sides are equal.
ma'am, wait a minute. Ma'am, ma'am, you can repeat full triangle. Ma'am, you can repeat.
Yes. This is rectangle.
Ma'am, can't see you. Yes, ma'am, can't
Is
see you.
rectangle. Now it is clear.
Yes. Ma'am, wait a minute.
It is rectangle. It has
It has four sides and corners.
four sides and four corners.
It has
In
four
rectangle, children, opposite sides are equal. You can see here, this line is equal to this line, and this line is equals to this line. So opposite. See, children, you will get my recorded video also, so don't worry.
And we have to write that in rectangle opposite sides are equal.
Yes. Whatever I speak, please write. In rectangle, opposite sides are equal.
Ma'am,
Yes.
what was the third point in triangle you said?
In triangle, it has three sides and three corner only.
Okay.
Ma'am, next.
So after rectangle is which shape next?
Ma'am, wait. Circle.
Circle. So draw a circle and write it is circle.
It is circle object. Circle.
It has
It has.
no sides and corners.
It has no side or
Right?
corner.
And no corners.
No side
And no corners.
Ma'am, can you please say again?
Or corner.
Renu ma'am,
Yes.
Renu ma'am, Jyoti.
Yeah. Yeah.
If they are writing, we will have to go a little slow, ma'am.
Okay.
If they write, है ना? And your board is also a little far, so please get your laptop a little closer to the board. A little closer to the board. A little closer. Right. I think that students will be able to see it. All right.
Now
Okay.
clear, na?
Mics off. Students, mics off. Ma'am will repeat. Ma'am will go slow. I want everybody. Dhruv Patel, Farzan Bastawala.
Yes, ma'am.
Mics off.
Done,
I said.
ma'am.
Mics off. I said. I
Okay,
think I
ma'am.
was very clear. Mic off. Riva Kataria. Do you need special this thing? Mic off, Riva. Good. Very nice, children. Very good. Now carry on. Yes, ma'am, please.
Okay, ma'am. So now the fourth one is, it is circle. It has no sides and no corners. Can you see anytime the circle sides and corners in the circle? Have you seen?
No, ma'am.
No. So it has no sides and no corners. I will wait for 2 minutes to write it down, all the 4 2D shapes.
Ma'am, done all.
Done all?
Yes, ma'am, done. Yes.
Very good.
All. All.
Very good. Very good, children. So these are called the 2D shapes, two-dimensional shapes.
Ma'am, done.
In which only you can see the height and the width, length and the breadth. Now we go for the, can I erase the board?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
No, yes, very good.
Yes, ma'am.
Very good. Now we can go for the 3D shapes.
Yes. Ma'am.
Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
I can erase it.
Yes, yes, ma'am. Yes.
Children, I'll
Yes.
count till 3. 1.
हेलो मैम,
Yes.
मैम कुछ दिख नहीं रहा है, पूरा ब्लड दिख रहा है, क्लियर नहीं आ रहा है मैम।
अभी सही
आपका
है?
फेसबुक क्लियर?
मैम
अभी ठीक है?
हाँ मैम।
अब ठीक है?
हाँ
हाँ
मैम।
मैम, अभी दिख रहा है।
मैम मुझे लिखने दो ना मैम। यस मैम।
हाँ लिखे, नो प्रॉब्लम, आई विल वेट.
Mama, I also.
First one is done. I will
मैम।
erase the first one only.
ओह shit.
Yes.
Okay,
You
by
will
the time you can
erase-
complete the other topics. Okay.
You
Now I will start 3D shapes.
चल पाछू करे છે મેમ લખવાનું 3D shapes.
कहीं नहीं 3D થી ચાલુ करो.
3D shapes are what do you mean by the 3D? 3D means 3-dimensional. In 3D shapes you will have thickness also. Yes. So first I will draw cube. Cube we will draw with the squares. First square, then we draw second square. This is cube. Which shape is this? Cube.
मैम डन.
Done? So cube has 6 faces. How many faces? 6. I will show you the cube picture object also. Wait.
Ma'am,
Yes.
in this one we don't have to write like this. It is
In
cube.
this you have to write the way I am writing.
Okay.
With what is this?
Cube.
Cube.
Cube. Cube.
It is cube.
Okay, okay. Now wait. See how to count the faces of a cube. First, 1 face, 2 face, third face is back, fourth face is down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Up, down. How many faces? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How many faces cube has? The flat surface. This is the flat surface of a cube.
Yes, ma'am.
So the flat surface are the faces of a cube. Clear?
Yes,
1,
ma'am.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So please write 6 faces and 8 vertices. How many vertices? 8 vertices. Now I'll tell you what are vertices. These are these lines which are joining the edges 1, 2, 3, 4.
Can you take
How?
your
Yes.
hand? Ma'am, I cannot see the board.
Now it is clear.
Yes, ma'am.
So
Yes, ma'am.
please write. So we will count the vertices 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The vertices are the corners. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So these are the 8 corners. So vertices also called corners. You can slash it down and write corners also. I don't have a space, but you have to write continue. Can I erase the square one now?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, very good children.
Yes, ma'am, you can erase.
So I said 8 vertices. Vertices are also called corners. Okay. Now it has 12 edges. What are edges, children? The two faces meet to make the edges. When these two faces meet, this one edge, the complete line 1, 2, 3, 4 this side, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. How many edges?
12.
12 edges. So please write 12 edges.
Edges.
Yes. Now,
Excuse me, ma'am.
yes.
I can't see the board.
Now it is clear, my dear.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, tell me.
Today is my birthday.
Very good. We will wish you at the end of the class, okay?
Thank you, ma'am.
Happy birthday.
Me chocolate.
Now please come here, please. Those who are asking for chocolate, please come here. Can I erase this rectangle now?
Yes, ma'am. Can't see the board.
Who is this? Who can't see the board?
Ma'am, I see. I can see
Yes.
the board.
Prisha, now it is clear.
Everything, ma'am. It is everything.
Ma'am,
Let them write circle also. Let them complete. I'll erase it later.
No, ma'am. It is off.
Okay, done everyone?
Ma'am, your video is off.
My video is off.
Yes.
Now
No,
it is.
No, ma'am. We can see you properly. We
Yes.
can see you properly.
Okay. Come to the next after the cube is cuboid. Now how we make the cuboid? With rectangle shapes. Join them. This is which shape? Which shape is this, children?
Cuboid.
Cuboid.
Ma'am, but I don't see only.
Now it is clear.
Ma'am. Yes, ma'am. After cuboid, which shape?
After cuboid, cone, cylinder, sphere. We are doing 3D shapes, right?
Yes, ma'am.
So cuboid, draw the cuboid first, write the name, and it is also has same like the cube. 6 faces, 8 vertices, and corners it is called, and 12 edges. I will show you the object which is in rectangle shape. This cuboid shape, see. This is in, we have learned no bricks.
Yes, ma'am.
So bricks are in which shape?
Cuboid.
It can be in many, it can be cube, it can be cuboid, it can be triangle. Yes?
It can be anyone. It can be.
Yes. So at a time, how many faces you can see of a cuboid? 3. We have learned a 3. 1, 2, 3. When you draw a cuboid or a brick, you can only see the 3 faces at a time. So write down 6 faces, 8 vertices, and it is called corners, and 12 edges.
Done, ma'am.
Done?
Done, ma'am.
Okay, now we go for the cone.
Full. And we
This
shape
is
to draw.
cone.
Ma'am,
Yes.
We cannot see.
ma'am, we can't see cone.
Yes, ma'am. We can see. Yes, ma'am. I will not see.
This is cone.
Ma'am, I don't see.
A cone has one curved edge.
Ma'am, can you repeat it?
A cone has one curved edge, one curved face, one flat face,
Ma'am, can you repeat?
a cone has one curved edge, one curved face.
Ma'am, done.
Yes, one flat face and one vertex.
Ma'am, Ma'am, can you say it again?
A cone has one curved edge.
Ma'am, I can ask you.
A cone has one curved edge, one curved face, one flat and one vertex. One flat face and one vertex. I will show you the cone also. This birthday cap is the example of a. This birthday cap is an example
Ma'am,
of
can you show it again? Can you say?
a cone has one curved edge, one curved face. Curved spelling is CURVED. CURVED. Curved face, one flat face and one vertex.
Done, ma'am.
So this point is called the vertex. This is called the curved edge. Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
From here also it is the curve, and this down
Ma'am,
part.
can you take your hand?
Yes.
Ma'am, what is the vertex of cone?
This one.
Ma'am, you can start.
Okay.
And
This
can
is the
you-
one vertex which is joining the curved edge. Clear?
And
This
cone
is the vertex. This is the curved edge.
Ma'am, I can see you. That's why I am asking.
Now clear?
Yes, ma'am.
One curved edge. One curved edge. One curved face. One flat face and one vertex.
Done, ma'am. You
Done?
start.
So tomorrow we will do our next like cylinder and sphere are left.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Okay. That we will do in our tomorrow's live class.
Okay, ma'am.
You are clear till now?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now can you all see me?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Wait a minute. Yes, ma'am.
Any confusion till here?
No,
Okay,
ma'am.
do it, no problem.
Ma'am, can I leave the meeting?
No, who is this?
Person.
No, first then wait for 5 minutes.
Ma'am.
Yes, 2 minutes, children. Give me 2 minutes.
Ma'am, we will do rest of the shifts tomorrow.
Yes.
Yes, Monica.
Rest of the shapes we will do tomorrow. Because you have to go for your next class, right?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am, now it's break. Ma'am, now it's break.
Ma'am, there is time.
Now
Yes.
it's break.
Okay. So can I continue the other two also today?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
How many of you say yes for continuing today also? Please write
Tomorrow. Tomorrow.
Okay, okay. Continue tomorrow, no problem. Okay, children? Now, switch on your microphones and answer me also.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now tell me, how was the today's class? How was the class, children?
It was very
Good. So you understood what we have learned? What you have learned today, it is good when you understood.
Yes. Yes.
Yes. So the rest of the topics we will do tomorrow.
Okay.
Okay, children.
Yes. Ma'am.
Till that, thank you. Bye bye. Have a good night.
Bye. Bye. Bye.
Bye, children.
Bye, teacher.
Have a nice day. Enjoy your break.
Bye. Thank you.